Hey guys, it's Bats here. Wanted to thank you for clicking on the video. Ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and helps us bring more quality content to you guys. And if we do that, we're going to get you to Mandalay Bay a lot faster. Hey guys, it's Vegas here. I'm actually heading downstairs right now to go ahead and check out the private pool here at I could have sworn this had an emblem on it, the Signature at MGM Grand. So to go ahead and stay here this weekend, and we're just going to do a real quick walk of the pool. We're going to go ahead and check out the Grand Pool Complex too. Oh yeah, it looks like that's our elevator. But just wanted to go ahead and run through this one too. So just as a little background information, they do have 3 pools here at the MGM Signature, in addition to giving you access to the pools at the full MGM Grand, the Grand Pool Complex there. Now towers 2 and 3 are all ages pools, and they're a little bit bigger than Tower 1's pool over here, but Tower 1's pool is actually a private pool that's adults only, 21 and up. So wanted to go ahead and show you that one there. So if you guys are a family here, you can still stay in Tower 1, but just keep in mind that the kids won't be able to go to that pool. So you're going to have to go to Tower 2 or Tower 3 to go ahead and check out the pools there. But since this is an adults-only trip, no sidekicks today, we're actually going to go ahead and I'm going to walk you guys to the pool over here. Okay. So here we go. They got the doors over here. Just go ahead and pull them open. It's exactly what it says on the tin, very simple. And the pool hours for this one, it's actually the latest pool that's open. It goes from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. actually. So that's always really nice too. Now you go ahead and take your key and you pop it in the lock here, and then it opens. Oh, madam, please.
Thank you.
Oh, certainly.
Thanks so much.
All right, and then they hook you up with the towels over here. They have ice cold water. You're gonna need this going into this. Today, it's gonna be 99 degrees. All right, so they have one main pool over here. This is the cold water pool. It's actually not too bad. It doesn't get too deep. It's only about 4 feet deep. Actually, not much else to it. It's just a regular pool there, so it's good to kind of cool your heels off. They do have these little benches here. If I had the underwater camera, I'd show you guys, but it's just this little bench over here that you can kind of sit on and kind of just chill in. So depending on how tall you are, you know me, I'm on the taller side. I'm a little under 6 feet. I say 6 feet on the driver's license, but we won't talk about that. And then they have lots of chairs. It's early right now. It's only like 10 or 11 o'clock. I can't remember which. Because it's been a long night. So they have lots of chairs. They give you a towel on the way in. The speakers are really bumping. The music's really bumping. They also have a jacuzzi over here. Hey, how's it going, ladies? You guys enjoying the jacuzzi there?
Yeah, it's pretty cold in the jacuzzi.
That's the way to do it. It's supposed to be warm in the jacuzzi, though, so they're doing it wrong, right? All right, see, but yeah, everybody has a good time at this pool. It's 21 and up. You guys can tell it's already a lot quieter than the other pool, minus the jacuzzi jets, just because, you know, no kids, not a lot of splashing going on. They also do have an emergency shutoff switch over here, so next to the pool. Not sure if you can see right now, but they have a switch for it, so you can change that around. So if it's ever off, you just go ahead and get up out of the pool and turn it on over there. They also do have these day beds and cabanas over here. I don't know how much the cabanas are. I think the day beds are only something like $75, but they'll give you an offer where they'll kick you like a bunch of Coronas or something like that if you get a day bed. And yeah, like you get a bucket of like 6 Coronas or something insane. Ladies, how we doing? And they have these lovely palm trees too. I really like it down here. I think this is a great pool. They also have a bar over here that doubles as a grill. They don't have the frozen drinks up yet, but normally they have frozen drinks, and they have snacks and things like that. I really enjoy it over here. They have a lifeguard on duty. He kind of pops in and out, I noticed, but they do have tables and chairs. So if you're just looking to relax after a long night of partying, this is a great place to go. If you want to party some more, you actually want to go to the Grand Pool complex. But you know, if you're just adults, if it's just adults on the trip, and you want the option to just relax at a kid-free pool, this is the place to do it in. But yeah, that's really just about it. So if you guys have any questions, definitely feel free to comment them down below. Like and subscribe, and we'll keep doing fun things like this. But until then, it's Ace of Vegas, and I am signing out. We'll go ahead and head over to the Grand next.